Sigma Hardware is the key to your future success. Why choose us as your manufacturing partner? We have over 30 years of successful manufacturing experience, making us a trusted partner you can rely on. We have various professional machines, including stamping machines, plastic injection machines, and precision CNC machining machines, ensuring that we can meet all your manufacturing needs. Our team of senior engineers will provide professional knowledge in production manufacturing, helping you optimize designs and reduce development costs. We implement strict quality control to ensure that every product meets the highest standards. We collaborate with well-known brands to drive industry innovation, bringing new possibilities to your projects. Through mergers and investments with partner factories, Sigma Hardware continuously enhances our production capabilities. We have also ventured into the sheet metal industry, laser cutting, and industrial manufacturing of pipe fittings. Regardless of the scale of your project, we have the capability and expertise to achieve your manufacturing goals. Sigma Hardware is eager to work closely with engineers, machinery manufacturers, wholesalers, and importers worldwide. We unlock your manufacturing potential with efficient production processes, helping you reduce development and production costs. We look forward to assisting you and achieving success together. From now on, start creating outstanding products with us.